Terminologies in forest pathology. A servolus, a mat of high pay giving rise to short conjunctors closely packed together, forming a bead-like mass. Aflatoxin, a poisonous substance produced by Aspergillus in cereals which is carcinogenic to human beings. Agar, a solidifying agent used in laboratory culture for bacteria, fungi, and tissue cultures. Allelopathy, a biochemical inhibition between plants caused by the release of various poisonous substances. Alternate host, a host among the two species upon which a parasitic fungus must develop to complete its life cycle. Amphitrachous bacteria, a group of bacteria that possess one or more flagella located at each end of the cell. Antagonistic symbiosis, an interaction between symbiotic when one has a harmful effect on the other. Anthracnose, a plant disease caused by fungi characterized by limited necrotic lesions on stems, leaves, or fruits, and often accompanied by dieback. Antibiotic, a natural organic substance that impedes or prevents the growth of an organism. Antibody, a protein molecule formed within the body of organism to neutralize the effect of antigen. Antigen, a substance that stimulates the production of antibodies. Next is potassium, an open ascocarp in which the hymenium is always exposed. Appresorium, an enlarged disc-shaped structure within at the tip of a hypha of parasitic fungi from which entry is made into the host. Ascocarp, a floating body of ascomesates containing asci. Ascospore, a haploid spore formed within an ascos following sexual fusion and meiosis. Ascos, a sac-like structure generally containing 8 ascospores. Autosystem, the ability of the pathogen to complete its entire life cycle on a single host species. Autogenetic theory of disease, a theory which states that the pathogen is the result of the disease and not the causal agent. Avoidance, the prevention of new pathogens from being introduced into the locality by planting species at times when the inocula are ineffective. Basidium, a club-like structure bearing on the surface typically 4 basidiospores Basidiospores, a haploid spore, form within a basidium following sexual fusion and meiosis. Blast, a term applied to the sudden death of young unopened buds, inflorescence, or young fruits. Blight, a rapid death of the whole organs or parts of the leaves, including vines. Blotch, a dark mycelium appearing on the surfaces of infective materials. Bordeaux mixture, a mixture of copper, sulfate, lime, and water used as fungicide to control mild than other fungi causing disease. Callus, an overgrowth of tissues formed in response to injury and of the plant to heal its wound. Canker, a restricted necrosis of bark and cortical tissues of stems or roots. Chemotherapy, a combination of chemical treatments and application of certain control measures aimed at reducing the severity of the disease. Chilling injury, an injury caused by low temperature above freezing point which exhibits a pitted appearance. Chlorosis, a symptom characterized by yellowing of leaves due to the halting of chlorophyll production or partial repression of colors. Normally, green tissues turn yellow. Chromogen, an organism which imparts a stain for a reason of its own pigment. Class Ascomycetes, a class of fungi capable of producing 8 spores within the ascus. Class Basidiomycetes, a class of fungi capable of producing 4 spores within the basidium. Class Phycomycetes, a class of fungi bearing an elongated colonization, refers to the growth or movement of the pathogen through the host tissues.